In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Etsy ads daily budget in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Your daily budget controls how much you spend on Etsy ads each day, and adjusting it helps you scale profitable campaigns or reduce costs when needed. Now, if you want to change your Etsy ads daily budget, here's what to do. Start by logging into your account on Etsy and opening your shop manager. Next, go to the marketing section and click on Etsy ads to open your ads dashboard. After that, look for your current daily budget at the top of the page. Click on the budget amount to edit it. Then enter your new daily budget. You can increase or decrease the amount depending on your strategy, and the changes will apply immediately. Also, adjust your budget based on performance. Increase it when your ads are generating good sales and profit, and reduce it if results are not meeting your expectations. Keep in mind that higher budgets can bring more visibility, but only optimized listings will convert that traffic into sales. That's it. By regularly adjusting your daily budget based on results, you can control your ad spending and grow your Etsy shop more efficiently.